Welcome to Kavi Kids World! Hello everyone! Today my friend Monkey will help us cook pancakes. Flour! Let's add the flour. Milk! Pour in the milk. Egg! Crack in the egg. Mix! Cook! Let's pour some maple syrup. Thank you, Monkey, for helping us cook pancakes today.